Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Tamara. So today we are doing some new products because it's First Impression Friday. We have a new lip, we have a new blush, we actually have two new BB creams, but the question is, are both BB creams going to work today, or am I going to save them for a different video? I'm probably going to have to save it for a different video because the BB cream that I have is, guys, it's magic. Yeah, it's magic.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
I kid you not, it's magic. I tried it out on my hand. I haven't tried it out on my face yet, but it's magic. Okay, so I'm like really excited to show this to you. So grab a snack, grab a cup of coffee, grab a cup of coffee.
Let's please.
Grab a cup of coffee, glass of wine, whatever it is you need to relax, and let's just get going. Okay, so what is the first step about prepping a face? Moisturizer, which I did, and I will link that down below as part of the items that I did, but I have already moisturized my face, and I'm so excited. Okay, have you guys seen this? Like, have you seen this? It is the L'Oreal Paris Magic Skin Beautifier BB Cream. It is anti-redness, and it's green.
What?
Yeah, it's green. It says it transforms to universal shade to reduce the look of redness. If you don't believe me, let me show you. Okay. Doing a little bit because, just want to show you, okay? Green, right? Green, green, green. Wicked Witch of the West.
I'll get you, my pretty.
Before your very eyes. Like, what?
Sorcery.
I'm not a magician. I don't play one on TV, but that just happened. All right, well, again, I've never tried this on my face, so we're gonna do it together. And I don't even know like how to. Okay, so it says neutralizes the look of redness, corrects skin color for a healthy looking even complexion, hydrates for all day moisture, perfects complexion. We're just gonna put 1 drop, 2 drop, 3 drop. I'm gonna try not to go all like crazy with my look today. Okay, I don't even know the proper way to apply this, so we're just gonna go in and do it. I probably should have done it a little bit closer to my face. Am I supposed to like, I think I'm supposed to do this. Does it do what it says? I mean, it does change color, as we already saw. Alright, I think I need some more. Now, I wonder if, like, you have a tan, if it's gonna change the color to your facial tan, or to your actual, skin tone. I don't know. Okay, so I wish I knew how to put this on properly. If anybody knows the proper way to put this on, please let me know. Did it reduce the redness? Did I not put it on any of the redness? That may have happened. Hang on. I mean, it doesn't take down all the redness, but yeah, it took down the redness, guys. Nice. I like it. So I'm filming this on Wednesday because tomorrow is my birthday, and I don't want to be filming and editing all day on my birthday. And also, tonight is Vanderpump Rules, so I'm a little distracted and a little excited about that. All right, guys, I need your opinion. Do we like it? I think we like it. I'm still a little confused about it though, so we'll get back to you on that one. So my other BB cream that I purchased recently that I haven't tried yet is the Clean Fresh CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk, which sounds like skim milk. It is in the shade Light. It has a dewy finish. It is a nourishing foundation. Okay. Coconut oil and aloe vera. It's also supposed to blur imperfections, even out skin tone. It's a sheer buildable coverage, and instant and all-day hydration. Okay, first impression. Why is everything so loose?
That's what she said.
Oh, I have a feeling this is not going to be my color. Yeah, so as I was saying, tomorrow... Anybody else see that? I'm filming this the day before my birthday. So when this premieres, it will be the day after my birthday. I am not excited for my birthday. Just because... I'm not really feeling it this year. Does anybody else ever have that feeling of like, all right, another year gone. What have I actually done for myself? Well, I did start this channel, so I am very happy about that. But then there's also, where I want to be in other aspects of my life. And I'm just, I don't know, just not excited for my birthday. I am not excited. But this is actually quite nice. I like this. I mean, I don't like how loose it is, but ooh, I really like it. Granted, my sponge is not that wet, so it may have soaked up most of the product, but I like it. It is soft. It is definitely sheer, but it really does do a nice, like, coverage to your face. Did I just find a replacement for my Maybelline BB cream? I don't know. I'm gonna use a different concealer that I've actually never used on the channel before, but I have used it, and I also have used it in my, like, most underrated shorts, which I can link up there. So it's the Revlon Color Stay Skin Awaken. It's got caffeine and vitamin C in it. It's 24 hours. It's a 5-in-1 concealer. It's in the shade 005. And it also has one of those spongy applicator things. Like, I'm just nervous for my birthday tomorrow. And I don't really know why. But I do know that I have been liking that concealer because, I mean, it didn't, like, completely cover up my dark circles, but, like, it doesn't really crease, if I'm not mistaken. No, it's not creasing, like, at all. But for those of you who do suffer from, like, creasing, like I do normally, I am going to be having a couple of videos up next week about different tips and tricks, which actually I cannot take credit for. So I'm just letting you know that I learned them from somebody else, and I don't want to steal her amazing brilliance. So I just have to tag her in it, which is fine. But I'm just letting you know, it's not my idea. The only thing I don't like about it is the amount that you get, and it's not cheap. I feel like you get, I don't know if it's the same amount. It's 0.2 ounces. Oh, you actually get more in here than you do in here. All right, so it may even out. And you don't really need that much, as you can tell. So it may even out. All right. Never mind. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I'm a little torn. Okay, so remember how I told you I went out and I bought more of these Essence eyeshadow palettes? I got really lucky with that Bronze This Way one, or I'm just disappointed and sad. I don't really, like, they're all, here, let me just show you what they all look like on the inside. They're all pretty, but I feel like some of their mattes don't show up as well. Here, I'll show you the other ones. This is Coral Me Maybe. I mean, they definitely have enough in here for a, like, half cut crease or a halo look or full cut crease and all that. Or just if you want just normal eyeshadow look. But, and this is Nothing Compares to Nude. It's just, I was trying them out yesterday and I was just like, really? Where's the pigmentation? And this is Taupe It Up. Did I even use this one yesterday? I don't even think I used this one yesterday. So they're kind of muted. They look very muted, which is weird again because the Bronze This Way one is not muted. So I'm not really sure, but we're gonna do Nothing Compares to Nude. So, as you can tell, it's very subtle. So if you're looking for that subtle look, then I definitely recommend it. But, like, for those shimmer shades, I had to, like, really press into my eyes, if you can see. So I'm not really loving it, unfortunately. It does still smell like chocolate, though. So for mascara, L'Oreal Voluminous came out with new colors for their mascaras. And I looked it up online to see which color. They come in green, blue, like a magenta, and a violet. And so I looked up online, I'm like, which one would work good with me? Because I don't know if you guys know this, I have 3 different, my eyes change color every single day. So I have, not from contacts, from, like, that's how I am. So I have green eyes, hazel eyes, and blue eyes. And so I looked up what colors go with which eyes. So the purple goes with all 3. So I got the purple, and we're gonna see if it brings out my eyes. So again, it's the L'Oreal Voluminous Original. Now I'm a little scared. I don't think I've ever used color mascara. This is the wand. It's very purple. Ooh, it smells like potpourri. I don't remember the last time I used L'Oreal Voluminous, just because they've come so far in regards to, like, what else they have on the market. But apparently people still buy this, and it's still able to be purchased at whatever store you want to purchase it at. So there you go. I mean, yeah, it kind of did bring out the color of my eyes more. That's really kind of cool. Does it do anything special with my eyelashes, like curl them, lengthen them, or whatever? I mean, I don't see any more volume than any other mascara. Okay, so let's see. But I mean, it does definitely bring out my eyes. So I'll give this one a win. All right. 2 more products and then we're done, I promise. And then I'll do the rest of it off camera. Okay, so the next product that I have never used before is the Hard Candy Face Off Blush. It is in the color Born Yesterday. It comes in a tube. Ah, this is cool. Okay, so it comes with a doe foot. All right, wish me luck, guys. Ooh, that is pigmented. We can work with it though. Yeah. Don't we always? Ooh. I mean, the camera makes it look a lot lighter than it really is in person, but I like it. Thoughts, opinions? I like it a lot. So I actually haven't used this in a video since I reviewed it, or really used it ever. It's the Maybelline Master Strobing highlighter stick in light clear. So, and it is light clear. Not really sure if I'm loving the concept of highlighter in a stick, but not sure how to apply it. It could be that. It could be that. Okay, so I went in with a little bit bronzer from the Physicians Formula All-Star palette, and then I put a little bit of their highlighter on there just to even it out, and then I did their face pressing powder. Maybelline came out with new lifter glosses. The only problem is they're only selling them at Walmart. And they're not even selling them at my Walmart. I had to order it online. They're like it's like a candy line, or yeah, I think it's a candy line or something. So the one that I got was in bubblegum. Hence why I didn't want to do like such a bright eye, because I was going to do, there's too many colors on my face, but I'm really excited to try it, and I've been waiting to try it with you guys. This is gonna be interesting. Okay, a little definitely goes a long way. All I did was do one little swipe. I think it looks nice. I definitely realize I'm not going to be needing that much of it because, again, it's very pigmented. It does have some, as you can see, it does have shimmery sparkly in it. Like, it kind of looks like I put an extra layer of like kind of like highlighter in my lip, but nope. Okay, final rundown. That magic BB cream was really awesome. I am gonna say that I am very much liking this CoverGirl one as well. Still having to figure out those other eyeshadow palettes. I'm not really sure what's going on with them, but I'll have to play around with it more. I have to also have to play around with this more. The blush I liked the application concept. I don't always like that spongy applicator. So this one, you can have like a little bit more control, because sometimes the spongy applicator, like, you know, it just goes bam, like, I don't know, like sponge painting, like, you know, bam. I don't like that. I like the color. I do think it's a little bit too dark, but also if you blend it out, it'll work really well for you. Again, it was in the color Born Yesterday, so this is what I was using. I don't think I actually showed you guys. And then my concealer, I've been using it a lot. This really brought out the color of my eyes, and I was like really shocked that it actually did such a good job at that. Do I think it's a great mascara? I don't know. But it definitely brought out the color of my eyes. So I'm going to try and see if like I can do like a black and then put the purple on top. Or the purple on top. I don't really know. I got to figure it out. And then the lip, it's growing on me. It's growing on me. Any questions about these products that I have? They will be listed down below as normal. Any questions that you have, don't hesitate to ask me. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope that I was a little bit more, I hope I entertained you a little bit. Next time I see you, I'll be 34. And yeah, so have a good weekend, week, day, month, whenever you're watching. Month. Have a good life. Have a good week, month, year. Have a good day, have a good night, have a good week. I don't know when you're watching this, but I hope you enjoyed it. And also, please don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and bell button down below so you can be alerted as to when I post new videos, which is every Tuesday and Friday. And every time you hit that like button or leave a comment, it really helps with that algorithm. So come on, it'll push me into more of the YouTube universe, and it'd mean a lot to me. It would be a great birthday gift from some of you if you do that. I love you, my butterflies. And I hope you have a great day, and happy Mother's Day to everybody. See you in the next one. Bye.